Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking okra and ogbono soup. Yes, before we get into the cooking proper, I'd like to say a little thing about okra because we cook this and sometimes we take it for granted. We don't even know the health benefit of what we eat sometimes. So okra is a vegetable. It's low in calorie. It's rich in magnesium, folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, as well as antioxidants. Very good for pregnant mothers because it helps the baby's brain development. Yes, you heard it well. It helps the baby's brain development. It lowers cholesterol level. It controls blood sugar. It supports the heart and brain health. So please, when next you want to cook soup for your swallow, please consider making okra soup as frequent as possible. What is ogbono in English? I can't really remember, but both of them are very essential in our day-to-day diet. So without so much talk, please let's get into the kitchen and see what we can do for today. So my protein of choice today is a chicken and stockfish. This is a washed and frozen chicken from my freezer, but for the sake of cleanliness, I still have to wash it over again before cooking. So everything goes into the pot now, and the ingredients, everything goes in at once because no time to waste time. The guys are hungry and we have to do it as fast as possible. So that is my washed protein, and other things will fall in suit. Okay, so as you all can see, the cooking is in progress and everything is fine. So let's add our stockfish. Remember, the stockfish is already washed and has been in the freezer, so it's a frozen stockfish. Oh, it's giving me tough time. I have to add a little water so as to defrost a little bit for me to be able to put them into the pot. Enjoy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, endeavor to subscribe. Show us some love. It's a lot of work going in there. And you see, the stockfish is cooked. The cooking continue. God bless you as you watch. Please stay tuned. So over to my uziza leaf. Uziza leaf is botanically named Piper guineas. In English is West African black pepper or Ashanti pepper. It's high in dietary fiber. It relieves stomach pain, menstrual pain, alleviates constipation. It's a great source of protein, alkaloids, franols, glycosides, steroids, and peptides, and lots more. So when next you are going to prepare your soup or stew or pepper soup, endeavor to incorporate uziza leaf. It is very medicinal and I love it. It's very aromatic. I have the seed in this soup and then with the leaf. So imagine the aromas I have in my kitchen right now. So to be an African woman, you should know all the African spices. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try and subscribe, like, comment, and even share. Encourage us. The work is tedious. So over to my spices and the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to blend. Let me quickly introduce you guys to my ingredients, some of my ingredients. This is my diced okra, and this is my ogbono powder, my uziza leaf, uziza seed, and yeah, this is how uziza seed look like for those who don't know it. Very aromatic. This is my crayfish, my yellow pepper, okpie, and a dry fish. This is my palm oil, and I'm going to mix the palm oil with the dried ogbono, the ogbono powder, so as to give me a fine paste. If you don't mix it well, you're going to have lumps in your ogbono soup, and I do not want that. So after mixing, I'm going to do double boiling method. That is one of the methods I use to dissolve my ogbono powder and have a fine paste. So there you go. That is how I do it. Here is my red bell pepper. This will give my soup a bright color. So let's have our crayfish, okpie, and yellow pepper blended as quick as possible so we can move. I have everything blended into paste. That's how we do it. I blend it with the uziza leaf, everything. Add a little water and then we give it a quick blend. Blend. No time. Yeah. Okay, as we are going to blend our red bell pepper now, let me quickly tell you guys my latest discovery. Earlier on I told you guys I don't know the English name for ogbono, so I had to quickly check and I saw that ogbono is called Dika nut in English, or bush mango seed. It is rich in potassium, iron, water, energy, protein, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. So as you can see, that is hot. That is very hot. So as you all can see, all the ingredients we use to make this ogbono and okra soup, they are all medicinal properties, medicinal ingredients. So those are the things we enjoy as Africans, Nigerians. Most of our things are organically cultivated and rich in nutrients, and you can eat them all day if you know how to eat them the proper way. So if you don't usually make ogbono and okra soup, I think you should consider making it now, because they are so good for your system. So everything is beginning to take shape. Everything is taking shape now. If you have not subscribed to OJ's Health Kitchen, what are you waiting for? So it's time for our okra. Our vegetables are going in right now. So you see how colorful everything is turning out. Keep watching. We will soon round up. Thank you guys. Any woman watching right now who can tell me what the remaining chicken in the sieve is meant for? If you can tell me in the comment section, you are a genius. But if you don't know, that means you're not used to the kitchen. We move. Please put on your notification button, the bell icon there, so that when a new video is uploaded, you will be notified. We move. I'm not guilty. If you know, tell me. Time to introduce our uziza leaf. So this is the final stage of the cooking. After the uziza leaf, just like 2 minutes and we are done. At this point, I am so excited. Somebody is happy. I'm about to go and rest. I'm about to leave the kitchen. It's been a long day, long working day. So at this point, if you are passing by my gate, my house, you would want to taste whatever that woman is making in the kitchen, because the aroma of the uziza leaf, uziza seed and everything, is heavenly. So time to add salt because I usually overdo salt, so I add it lastly, and that is it. A little goes a long way. So guys, tell me if you don't like the sight of this okra and ogbono soup. Soon we get into, oh, this is beautiful. Don't mind me. I love to admire soup, cooking and all that. So we are going to make pounded yam today. It's going to be a lot because I want to give out some today. So my rice cooker cannot cook everything, so we have to resort to a bigger pot, and on the other side, and we are going to make this in a local way. We are going to pound it in the mortar and pestle because my poundo machine cannot do this work. The cooking is much, and yeah, oops, that is hot. Yeah, it's a lot of pounding today. Please come and join us. The food is ready. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is that for the day. I'm so happy to show you guys. Don't forget to eat healthy and stay healthy because your health is your wealth. Bye.